And as simple things like walking, sitting down on the floor, and also squatting and going toilets, these things have become like far-fetched things now. People are using Western toilets and sitting on the chair for long hours and sofas, and hardly people walk. Most of the time, what they do is work out in a gym. So these things also are impacting spinal health, right?
Yes, you might be going to your granny or grandparents' village during summer holidays. So that's what our habit of going to grandparents' house during our childhood. So when I look back, during my childhood, we didn't have any cars or bikes. So cycle was a luxury that time. So my grandparents, they never, sit at one place. They constantly, they used to work. They used to sit on the floor cross-legged, do all the works, then walk to the farm or the field, cycle. So we used to cycle a lot to bring something. We used to go in a cycle or go to the field. We walk some say 8 kilometers, just very casual walk. You never feel that you have walked so long. Go there, come back. So when you look at the whole 24-hour schedule, only during your sleep or that 8 hours on the afternoon nap, half an hour or 45 minutes or 1 hour nap after lunch, whole day you are up and mobile or doing something to your muscles activity. So this was their regular exercise. What today people say you should go to gym and do exercise or move your legs. So deliberately nowadays people go to a gym or a Zumba or a cult or where they want to deliberately move your muscles.
Yeah.
So moving 1 hour of muscles in the gym is not enough. It has to be a whole day process. So why our grandparents never had issues? Because every day it was a process of moving the muscle.
Yeah.
Here our concept is move the muscle 1 hour and the next 12 hours in the day you sit.
Completely.
So that will not help. So that's why when you compare so what does the squatting does or folded leg sitting on the floor does? It stretches your knees, it stretches your hips, and it stretches your spine muscles and core muscles all the time. So you are doing this repeatedly. So you are sitting while eating half an hour thrice a day. Half an hour you are sitting on the floor. You want to chit chat, you are sitting on the floor. You again up and moving. You are squatting in the Indian toilet once or twice a day. That gives you a lot of, when you are squatting, the blood from the thigh muscles and from the hip muscles, it gushes up nicely. So that's why the squatting helps, where it improves your muscle circulation. So these things unknowingly, it was a part of our life during our olden days, where it was we just adapted it as a part of our life before. But with the advancements, so now we stopped walking because you have a bike or a car. You stopped sitting on the floor because you have sofas today. You stopped squatting because you have a Western toilet today. So, and in the office, obviously, you are not going to a field and bending and working there. You have an office chair to sit and work on computers.
Yeah.
So everything we are doing opposite nowadays. So to circumvent that, we are telling we should go to a gym or we should do some exercise in the morning. That morning 1 hour is not enough. So that is a very wrong thing we do every day. Getting up and doing 1 hour of exercise in a day is enough. No, it's throughout the day we need to have a constant activity of the muscles. For that you have to be up and mobile, stretch yourself every half an hour, 45 minutes, get out of the chair, you walk, you stretch yourself, then again come back and sit. If possible, walk to the office, or one time you get down the stairs, climb up the stairs. Do something throughout the day, some activity. Every hour you keep a task that you should move your muscles.
Yeah.
So
Nowadays, watches also have that thing, right? They track every.
So you are deliberately making a new device to remind you to do these things. So which is very unfortunate, where our elders were doing unknowingly, it was a part of their life.
Yeah.
So again, we can't go back to the what to say, take back or go back in time,
Yeah.
but definitely adapting those things in a new way will help us preventing lot of health issues.